G'day, it's Jay and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this really simple low bun. So for starters, you want to grab hair around the crown and just give it a little bit of a tease with a teasing brush. Now her hair has already been teased a little bit from a previous style that I did, but you just want to keep going around. Another thing to note is I did crimp or straighten as a good hair prep before this as well. If you're not familiar with crimp or straightening, I recommend go checking out that video first. Then what I'm doing is grabbing a straightener, my Baby Bliss, and just going across the top layer of the hair. This is just going to help it have a lot more smoother look. Then grab the hair and pull it into the middle. I like to twist the left over the right and the right over the left so that they come in evenly together instead of only twisting one way. Then I just give it a little bit of a pull apart and making sure that it has an overall good look before spraying. Now I'm just doing a little bit of a fishtail braid here and then just pulling it out just to add a little bit of extra texture and dimension to the hairstyle. You could do any different type of braid that you'd like or not a braid at all. This is completely optional. I do want to quickly add, if you can see that I already have a bun for this style. I did film the no heat low updo before completing this style, so that's why there is a bun down below. Once I finished doing the braid that had no hair added in, with the last bit of hair, I'm just doing a lace British braid. So I'm bringing hair in from the front and bringing it underneath the middle strand. So once you've finished doing the braid, you just want to grab the rest of the hair and just put it up in a ponytail. Then here I've got a stretched out donut that I've just cut in half, and I'm just pinning at the top and then hair tying at the bottom, and I'm just slowly rolling my way up all the way to make the bun. Once I have it in a position that I like, I simply just grab pins and just put it all the way all across the top layer and just really secure it in place. Once I'm happy with it, I just give it a little bit of a pull, make sure that the hair is in the right position and covering the padding, and then put the braid across. Here I'm using my topsy tail and I'm just pulling it through and then hiding the ends in the bun. Lastly, I'm just giving a good spray over the top, and then I'll add an accessory, and then the style is all done. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!